Where's, oh, chickens and guineas. Brought all these trucks back last night with us, full of course. So this morning, the first thing to do is empty the trailers into the grain bin. That's the one that Jim and I drove. That one's Dennis's truck. Scooters. Jed's truck. And the previous one would have been Nick's. There's Nick's. Throwing rocks at the bin to see how full it is. You can tell where it's at just by the sound typically. Guess he decided he couldn't tell. My chariot awaits.
Why are you filming that?
Why not? Good morning. Day 15 is just about to begin, so we should be finishing up here within the next couple of hours in Big Sandy, and we'll make our 2-hour trip back to the farm again and get started. I think the plan is to go through the Shepherd crossing and over the creek and up the hill into those acres, and that quite possibly could be our last winter wheat acres for the year.
That coulee was out where we buried all that stuff. New 2 passes around it and the big coulee. Should be under BS 120. Looking at our sharing on the screen. Oh, okay, yeah. You talking Tom Bodette? Yeah.
Got some serious dirt happening here. Can't even see the edge of the field, which concerns me just a little bit because of rocks, of course. Yeah. Final dump for Big Sandy. Next step, load headers and head them home. Okay, we're roading the machines through the Shepherd Crossing, across the creek to the final winter wheat field. That's my combine in the mirror. Jim volunteered to drive it for me with the head on, so I took him up on it. So I'm driving his machine. He's going to take that with the head on across the bridge right there.
whatever you might want to call me, or spreading down. I don't know. I'll see how far I can go. Just let me know, okay? Roger.
Taco Tuesday.
It's almost the weekend.
It is almost the weekend. I thought about that a whole week ago already.
Hey, what's going on?
Make the wings. Yeah, there you go. You want to see? You see what?
Hey, not even want iced tea or lemonade? You think it bothers them? Lemonade? More than you have.
She went home.
Everything is fine.
I think you're scheming. I can see it. I can see it in your eyes.
I don't have.
I can't see my eyes.
I can see your eyes.
Look at you, duck. Hey, duck.
So this header of mine was having issues of doing things that it wasn't supposed to do and things that whatnot, but I guess something got pinched and smashed. Brett got it to work again though. That's all that matters. So we are good once again. Supper was awesome. Thank you, Carol. Minor breakdown on Jim's machine. Something to do with a guard and a bolt, and not a long enough bolt, and it on the sickle, and whatever it is, it's getting fixed as we speak. Circling the troops for the night. We'll finish this tomorrow. Hopefully before the 105-degree temps with 30-mile-per-hour winds and less than 10% humidity rolls in.
We'll be over on the
Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.